Alright, we know now how to insert data and select some data from our database, and also how to search some data from our database. Now we came through the 10 videos. Now we know basic concept of database management system. So we talk about how to make database and how to make tables, and also how to insert data graphically and using insert query. We know how to insert data to database, and also graphical method. We can use graphical method to insert data, and also we can update some data in our database using update query or graphical method, and also we can delete some insert data so with using delete query. And also we know how to join separated tables with join queries. I already talked about in my previous video. And also you know how to connect subqueries using how to connect tables using subqueries. Now we have database project to do. So we talk about basic concept of DBMS using 10 videos. So this is my 11th video. So we have question set 11. So we have given a scenario. Now we need to make database project. So in my question set 11, we only have create a table, user table. You can see it. So we have table name, user, and we have 5 columns, and all we need to make that table only. So I am explaining you the scenario. So this is not a separated video. So now I can bring you a chain of video one by one connected to one another. So my question set 11, this is the first video of our DBMS project. So question set 11, 13, 14, 15 and future question sets all are connected to one project. So you need to see this video, and if you don't watch my previous videos, you can go and see it. When you come to this video first, you need to understand basic concept of the DBMS, and if you want to understand them, you can watch my previous videos. I already posted 10 videos in my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to explain the scenario. So you can see I'm a little bit maximize this. Now bill books record the day-to-day business of the next mobile store. Okay, bill books record the day-to-day business of the next mobile store. Because of this, the shop owner has to calculate the daily income and expenses at the end of the day. Alright, all businessmen do that. So this section made him very uncomfortable. So we have so many expenses and incomes today. So end of the day we are so exhausted, and this made really uncomfortable. I know that. So the shop owner decided to use computer software to make this task easier. The shop owner has requested the creation of a computer software to a software development company called Tilina Gayatri Soft. Okay, our company is Tilina Gayatri Shop. So the shop owner needs to create a computer software to calculate his expenses and income. So you are the senior software engineer in a company. Okay, we are senior software engineers, and you and your team are tasked with developing the software database. The software must have these requirements. Okay, we have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have given 7 requirements. The store employs 5 people. All employees should be able to use this software. Okay, we need to give permission to all of these 5 people in the shop. So customer should be able to register, and our customer should be able to register. Must be able to register suppliers. Yeah, shop has some suppliers and customers. We need to give all permission to access customers, suppliers and employees to that database. Okay, should be able to review billing details provided by suppliers. Okay, must be able to review details on bill issues to customers. So we must be able to review. Must be able to include details of items sold in a store. Alright, that is for employees. That details for employees. Create a database called NextMobileDB. Okay, our database name is NextMobileDB, so you can see it. Now we need to make the database name. I'm gonna copy it. Okay, now I memorize it. I'm gonna highlight it a little bit. Okay, now you can see it. This is our database name. So we have question set 11. Create the user table needed to enroll employees in this software. Do this by following the instructions. So this is employee table. So employee can register with this table. So they can put their usernames, password, user types, and status. And also our user ID is auto incrementing, no need to insert data, so it is auto incrementing. So we need to design that table using our ER diagram. So now I memorize little bit: user ID, username, password, user type, status. Okay, all username and password has 50 length of varchar, and this is int. Okay, and we have user type 55 varchar type, and status length is 1. Okay, now we are going to ER diagram. I'm opening my MySQL Workbench and my database connection, and now I'm making new model. And MySQL schema default is MyDB, so I want to rename it as next mobile DB, and rename reference refactor schema object reference changed. Okay, and I want to add diagram, so user table only. So in this question we have to make user table only, so I'm making user table. Alright, now I made the user table. Okay, now we are okay. We did question 11. I will catch you guys in my question set 12. Peace.